Every printed page starts with an artwork file. In the design studios, a team of graphic artists creates the content of the publication to the customer's brief. The text is laid out and checked, and the images are fine-tuned for maximum impact on the printed page. Each page of content is then proofread and signed off as certified print-ready artwork. The artwork files are opened in the pre-press studio, where they will be converted into printing plates. The pre-press technician arranges the page layout on each plate for the most efficient folding and cutting process in the finishing department. Each page is proofed and checked, and registration and color intensity bars are added to the edges of the artwork. These will be read by the automatic scanners on the press and checked by the press operator. The image is then ripped into CMYK color separations, which will create the printing plates. As each of the 4 color separations is added, a full color image becomes visible. Each color separation is a matrix of dots of varying sizes, called a halftone image, which gives the illusion of continuous shades of tone. The quality of this illusion depends on the resolution of the dots, measured in dpi, or dots per inch. The proofs are checked for registration, and the files loaded into a plate setter. A computer-to-plate laser imaging system creates each plate. The basic principle of offset printing is the mutual repellence of ink and water. The image on the aluminium printing plate consists of water-receptive or hydrophilic parts and ink-receptive or hydrophobic parts. The printing image itself is ink-receptive. The non-printing parts are water-receptive. With each revolution, the printing plate first passes the damping rollers, which apply water to the non-printing areas of the plate. Next, the plate passes the ink rollers, where ink is picked up by the hydrophobic areas of the plate. The inked image is offset from the printing plate to a rubber blanket cylinder. The blanket transfers the images onto the paper, and the cycle is repeated with each revolution onto fresh paper. An impression cylinder allows the blanket to press against the paper surface. The sheets are printed 4 times, first in black, then cyan, magenta, and yellow, to create full color images. Each individual print unit of a sheet-fed offset press prints only one side of the sheet at a time. For high-volume printing in a web offset press, the impression cylinder is replaced with a second printing unit. A continuous paper web runs between the 2 blanket cylinders, allowing each printing unit to print opposite sides of the paper simultaneously.